Welcome to the guide on setting up and creating net terms payment orders. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the detailed steps to set up net terms rules, configure customer and product conditions, and ensure your customers can conveniently use the net terms payment option. Let's get started. Access the Configuration section within your admin panel. Here, locate the net terms module and toggle it to enable. This step is crucial as it activates the necessary features for the payment options you will configure. Next, we will install the Purchase Late button using the app block method. Follow these detailed steps to ensure proper installation. In the net terms settings, click the Configure button to proceed to the installation options. Next to the Add Rule button, click the Settings icon to view the available installation options. Under the Installations tab, select Installation with App Block. From the drop-down list, choose your preferred theme. It's essential to ensure that the selected app block is compatible with your theme. After selecting your theme and check the compatibility, click the Enable button on the Cart Page option. This action will redirect you to the Theme Customization page, where the net terms app block will be added into your cart page. To make that the Purchase Late button appears correctly, add at least one product to your cart. This will enable the button to show on your cart page, allowing customers to choose the net terms payment option. Once you have reviewed your settings and ensured everything is correctly configured, be sure to save your changes. The Purchase Late button is now live and ready to be used on your cart page. Now that the button is live, let's create your first net terms rule. Click on Add Rule in the settings to begin. In the General Information section, fill in the following: Name. Enter a name for the rule. Priority. Assign a priority value, with 0 being the highest priority. Priority helps when multiple rules apply to the same customer. Status. Choose Enable to activate or Disable to turn off. Next, define the customers and products the rule will apply to. For example, you can apply the rule to B2B customers or specific product categories. If you want to add restrictions based on order conditions, set Status to Enable. The order conditions you can choose includes minimum, maximum order quantity, minimum, maximum order amount. The use case for this is when you want offer net terms for orders over $500. Set the status to Enable, select minimum order amount, and enter 500 in the minimum field. Having successfully added your first net terms rule, we can now explore additional configuration options. These settings will help you optimize the management of your net terms orders and enhance the overall customer experience. First, enable the Auto Tag Orders feature. This option automatically assigns tags to orders, streamlining the tracking and management of net terms orders. By utilizing tags, you can efficiently filter and categorize orders based on specific criteria, simplifying the monitoring process. Next, let's configure the invoice timing. You can select from preset options such as due on receipt, 7 days, 15 days, or 30 days. Additionally, you have the flexibility to customize the time range to meet your specific business requirements. You can also enhance the Purchase Late form by incorporating custom fields tailored to your needs. You can add various field types, including checkboxes, text areas, and date fields, to collect specific information from customers. Furthermore, consider including validation fields for compliance, such as EU VAT, ABN, or India GST, to address relevant tax obligations. And that's it! You've now fully set up the net terms module for your store. Whether it's customizing the button or managing net terms orders, this feature empowers you to provide a tailored B2B shopping experience. Need more help? Don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching.